That is a powerfully written script. The way you've structured it, building sense of wonder and mystery, really captures why people are so fascinated by the deep sea. The imagery about the pressure and the bioluminescence is especially evocative. Are you planning on creating a video for this, or is it for something else? That's a very evocative script, painting a vivid picture of the deep sea and this unique creature. The detail about the parasitic males is particularly striking. Is there a specific part of this you wanted to discuss, or are you thinking about perhaps adapting it for video? What a fascinating creature! Is there a particular part of that script you want to discuss, or maybe something you'd like to add to it? It's a really evocative write-up. This version feels even more focused on the evolutionary pressures. I like how it emphasizes the underwater desert and the struggle for survival. It maintains that sense of mystery and the unknown. Is there a particular point you feel needs more detail, or are you happy with how it flows now? That's a fantastic script. You've captured the mystery and the unique biology of the gulper eel really well. The pacing and imagery, especially with the living trap idea, would make for a really engaging documentary. Are you planning to use this for something specific? This script is just as compelling as the first, maybe even more so, with the emphasis on its against all odds nature. The theme of fragility versus adaptation really shines through. Were you thinking of these as options or perhaps parts of a longer project? They both work very well. That's an incredibly well-written script. It paints a vivid picture of the deep ocean and how the viperfish is adapted to it. Are you planning to create a video with this, or is it for something else? This version, the viperfish, Why This Tiny Predator Terrifies the Deep Sea, is also excellent. It emphasizes its adaptability and the speed of its attack really well. Is there a particular aspect of this version you like better, or are you looking for feedback on something specific? That's a fascinating script. It covers all the key details about the dragonfish, the red light, the transparent teeth, the ultra-black skin in a really engaging, cinematic way. Is there anything you'd like to tweak, any section you want to expand on, or are you happy with how it flows? This script is really strong too. It takes a slightly different angle, focusing more on the impossible nature of the dragonfish and how its features are perfectly suited for that extreme environment. I like the way you framed the evolution at the end as creating smarter predators, not just bigger ones. Do you prefer this version, or are you leaning toward the first one? That script is powerful. It builds incredible tension and paints a vivid picture of the dragonfish. I particularly like the part about the invisible teeth and the private red light. Are you planning to use this as a voiceover for a video or something else? This is another fantastic script. It covers the key features really well, similar to the first, but with a slightly different focus in the phrasing. The lines about camouflage being taken to an extraordinary extreme and the living trap for the mouth are particularly effective. Which version do you prefer, or were you just exploring different ways to tell the story?